you don't always find true love. Sometimes it finds you. This is the true tale of two hearts that were miles and miles and miles apart. But soon this was all to change after a Nimbus chat room ASL exchange. What started out as a casual hi became more intense between girl and guy. After months of messaging day and night, they thought a phone call would be just right. The moment he heard her lovely voice, he knew deep down he had only one choice. Despite never having met in real life, he rang her up and begged, "Be my wife?" Yes, was her answer. She knew it was fate, but these long-distance lovers faced another year's wait. The day soon dawned, and it was worth waiting for, cause they both fell in love more than ever before. Karandeep and Akuti wish your life full of joy and pleasure. That you met on Nimbus is something we'll treasure.